The field is really excited about this new product.
Okay.
What can you tell us about it?
The product is the HDV600 series. The HDV600 is this main unit here. It's our high-definition video scope. The unit is a rugged, large LCD unit. It has grips on both sides for handling either the right hand or left hand. We have installed buttons on either side that will take video or snapshots. It has a very simple user interface. The unit itself is 2-meter drop proof and IP67, the only one in the market that is a full IP67. On the bottom here you can see it has a slot for an SD card, a video output, USB to access the SD card, microphone for voice annotation, and a charging bag. The unit itself comes in a case like this one. The case is designed to contain the main unit and all of the possible accessories that a user may buy either as a kit or as a future upgrade.
Okay, so can you tell us what comes in the kits?
Sure. The HDV600, we have created 4 different kits for it. The HDV610, 620, 640, and 640W. Every kit comes with the main unit, a 2 gig SD card, a video out cable, a USB cable to access the SD card, a power adapter, a cleaning kit, and a patch cable. This is common for all the kits. The HDV610 kit comes with the main unit, all your accessories you see here, a 1 meter, 5.5 millimeter diameter camera that is flexible. The 620 comes with a semi-rigid camera. This one that I'm holding is the semi-rigid camera. The difference is a semi-rigid camera will actually hold its shape, while a flexible camera, just like this one here, will not. All the cameras come with accessories. The accessories are very specific due to the different diameters of the actual inspection cameras. The accessories that come with it are a 45-degree mirror, which are inside of these vials, what I call a snag-free ball. This ball will actually screw on top of the camera here and allow you to easily go through a pipe or snake behind wires. And a retrieval magnet, same idea. All of these screw to the tip of the camera and allow you to retrieve stuff. Because of all the different diameters, we have designed the actual case to be able to house more than one of these kits, and up to 6. So you can have multiple cameras in the same housing. The next kit up is the HDV640 and 640W. Both come with articulation. Now, articulation means that the distal end of the camera can actually be maneuvered in one plane, either left or right, using our knob on the main unit here. The main difference between the 640 and the 640W is that the transmitter that we provide in the 640 must be used with the patch cable plugged into the bottom into the main unit, so it's only wired. The 640W, which is what I'm holding in my hands, is a wireless transmitter. You turn this unit on and it wireless transmits the video here.
About how far can it transmit?
We can do about 100 feet.
About 100 feet. And can this unit also be connected through the cable? Yes.
Any of our wireless transmitters can be connected through the patch cable in case you're in a situation where there is interference or you're not allowed to use wireless due to regulations.
So we have articulating, wireless, and wired.
Yep.
And what is the difference then between the cameras that come with the different kits?
Okay. As you probably can tell from our catalog, we have an extensive offering of cameras. We go anywhere from a 4mm camera all the way up to a 25mm camera. Now the 4mm camera is this one that you see here. Very thin in diameter. It comes in a flexible shaft only. We offer in 1 meter. And the resolution on this camera, which is the only one out of the pack, is 320 by 240 pixels. All the other cameras from the 5.5 millimeter all the way to the 25 millimeters, the resolution is 640 by 480 pixels.
So this 4 millimeter
Flexible.
flexible, is this available in a kit format? Is this one always bought as a separate accessory?
It's always bought as a separate accessory.
All right. And this is available in 1 meter length?
Yes. The next item up here, we have the HDV WTX1. This is our self-contained wireless transmitter. What this unit allows you to do is to take any of our cameras, the 5.5 millimeter, the 4 millimeter, the 25 millimeter, connect them here, and all of a sudden you turn your unit into a wireless unit. It's a rugged, again, all of these are IP67 2-meter drop proof, so it's a rugged unit, easy to handle with one hand, and it gives you the freedom of twisting and turning and pulling or pushing the camera into any kind of situation you may be in.
All right, so all the cameras can fit into this wireless transmitter.
Yes.
But this wireless transmitter is not the articulated
It's not, correct.
piece. It's a totally separate piece.
Yes, because the articulation, because of the nature of the unit, the cameras itself cannot be detached from the articulation unit. That's why we have the 4 products that you know of, the 1 meter wireless, the 1 meter wired, then we have a 2 meter wireless and a 2 meter wired. But the cameras cannot be changed. They're not interchangeable. They're attached.
All right. So just to remind us, what camera comes on the wireless articulating probe?
It's a 6 millimeter semi-rigid, which means it holds its shape, 640 by 480 pixel resolution. This is the standard size. This is the 1 meter. The diameter and resolution are the same for the 2 meter also. Moving up to a more specialized camera, I have a sample here. We also offer, as I said, a 25 millimeter camera, which is a plumbing special. This is the 25 millimeter camera. You see it's got a large stainless steel head on it with 12 large LEDs for great illumination and a large lens. Okay. It also is mounted on a very flexible spring. This is great for getting through pipes. And the other thing that I wanted to talk to you about was this special cable here. This is the fiberglass cable. It's 6 millimeters in diameter. It's a fiberglass reinforced cable, which means it has a 200-pound tensile strength. So you can either pull or push up to 200 pounds. We offer this all the way to 30 meters, which is 100 feet. And you need that extra stiffness and strength to be able to push all the way down a 100-foot line. Again, this comes with the same termination on the other side, which you can plug in directly to our HDV600 or our wireless transmitter.
Then I also see, besides the choice between flexible and rigid cable, you also need to consider the macro
And non-macro lenses.
and non-macro lenses. So can you tell us
Sure.
the difference between those and what is available in one and the other?
The macro or non-macro lens refers to the field of view of the camera. The macro lens is focused at a distance of 25 millimeters to 60 millimeters, which is about 1 inch to 3 inches. That's where you're going to find the sharpest image. The non-macro lens is more of a general purpose camera, which is focused from 60 millimeters all the way up to infinity. So it's a great camera for you to be scoping a large area with, but when you get up close looking for high definition details, it's best to use a macro lens.
So Gio, thanks for showing me all the cable accessories. I see that most of the accessories are 1, 2, and there's one that's 3 meters long. What about a customer who needs something longer?
Well, as I mentioned earlier, we do have up to 30 meters, which is 100 feet. And those specific cameras come into spools, just like this one, so you can easily coil it up. This one, for example, is a 5.5 millimeter camera, flexible, and it's 10 meters long. It's one of the units, but we also go up all the way up to 30.
30 meters, and that's obviously because it coils up. It's only the flexible one that's available in the longer length.
Yes, the flexible and the fiberglass.
Well, that sounds great. Looks like we have all the bases covered with this product.
Thank you very much, Scott.